Hi, I'm Tasman and today I'm going to show you how to make a cocoa and chocolate body butter using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First log in and select the skincare program and then select the oil and water body butter and then click create. Okay, so firstly I'm going to select my humectant and I'm going to pick the glycerin. Next is my gum and I'm going to go with the solar gum Tara. Next is my anionic emulsifier, and I'm going to select stearic acid. Now I do want my body butter to be quite viscous, so I'm going to max out all of my emulsifier inputs. Next is my non-ionic emulsifier, and I'm going to select the Natrogem EW. For my low HLB emulsifier, I'm going to pick the glycerol stearate. Next up is my lipids. So I'm going to select the cocoa butter. This has a nice heavy skin feel. I'm also going to select the jojoba oil. This has a nice balancing effect on the skin. And lastly, I'm going to select the macadamia oil. This has a medium to heavy skin feel, and this is great in rejuvenating skincare. Next is my preservative. And I'm going to select the GeoGuard 221. Now for my fragrance, I'm going to select my own. I have a chocolate fragrance that I'm going to add into the body butter. And I do want it to smell nice and chocolatey, so I'm going to use maximum input. And lastly is my antioxidant. And I'm going to select the mixed tocopherols. And because I've used a large input of natural oils, I'm going to use a big input of tocopherol. And then select generate method. And there you have a full formula method, and now let's get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a cocoa and chocolate body butter using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get creating your own body butter. Happy formulating!